there, welcome back. I'm Lilly, your respiratory therapist here at Sleeplay. Today, we're talking about something every traveler with a sleep apnea eventually faces. How do you keep your CPAP therapy going when you're on the move? Maybe you're heading out for a beach vacation. Maybe you've got a last-minute business trip, or maybe you're finally tackling that cross-country road adventure. Wherever you're going, good sleep still matters, and you deserve therapy that travels as well as you do. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly why a travel CPAP is worth having, what makes it different from your home unit, and how to choose the perfect one for your lifestyle. Let's dive in. Most people assume traveling with sleep apnea is a hassle. They think of carrying bulky machines, masks, batteries, airport security, the whole circus. But the truth is, with the right setup, your CPAP becomes just another seamless part of your travel routine. And the payoff? Your energy stays high, your mood stays steady, and you get to enjoy the trip. Fully present, fully rested. That's why travel CPAP machines exist. They're small, lightweight, dependable, and designed to keep your therapy consistent no matter where you sleep. Travel CPAPs aren't just mini versions of your home machine. They're engineered for portability. That means compact size that fits easily into a backpack. Lightweight so it doesn't feel like carrying a brick. Battery compatibility for flights and outdoor trips. Waterless humidification options. Quieter operation than older travel models. Simple menus for straightforward use on the go. International power adaptability. Luckily, with the latest travel CPAPs available, you don't have to sacrifice comfort for portability. Let me walk you through a quick breakdown of today's best travel CPAP machines. This is the ResMed AirMini. It's small, it's light, and it uses a waterless humidification disc, so you never have to mess with distilled water if you're on the road or during a flight. It comfortably fits in any carrying bag, so it's hassle-free to bring along. And you can use the companion app to keep track of your therapy. The experience is great, and it's whisper quiet, just like a home unit. I recommend it for business travelers, long flights, or anyone who likes to pack tight on trips. This is a Transcend Micro. This small device is the size of a baseball and weighs less than half a pound and basically disappears in your bag. It's durable, has flexible battery options, and the gentle rise ramp helps ease you into the pressure. If you're into camping, hiking, boating, or anything outdoorsy, this is the one that goes anywhere without complaining. It also offers a lineup of really nice accessories like carry bags, portable batteries, and even a muffler to make it even quieter. Plus, another great thing about it is that it's universally compatible with any mask. It's great for hotel rooms or anyone who wants therapy to disappear into the background. So, you see, each of these travel CPAPs has its own personality. But the bottom line is this. Any of them will keep you therapy consistent when life puts you on the move. Just make sure you pick one based on your personal mask preference, your packing style, or how independent you want to be from wall outlets. Now let's walk through the major factors you should consider before buying any travel CPAP. Okay, portability. Think about where you travel most. Fly often? Luckily, all the ones I mentioned are ultra compact and FAA cleared. If you go on road trips, size matters less. Battery life matters more. And if you'll use it mostly for camping or emergencies, focus on ruggedness, dust protection, and long-lasting batteries. Battery options. Every machine is different. Look for FAA-approved batteries, DC power options, solar-friendly charging for campers, run time per charge. Some last one night, some two. Humidification style. Travel CPAPs use waterless HMEs. Great for flights and desert climates. Reduced water humidifiers, better for hotels and road trips. If you have sensitive sinuses, dryness issues, or live in dry climates, this can make or break your therapy. Most modern travel CPAPs work well with standard masks, but not all. Double check before you buy, okay? Noise level. Nobody wants to sleep next to a tiny jet engine. The top choices I mentioned here all operate under 30 decibels. Pressure range and therapy mode. Make sure it matches your prescription, especially if you use auto PAP or pressure relief features. Now, smartphone app experience, some apps give you stats, adjustment helps, and travel-friendly settings in real time. All right, now that you know how to choose the right travel CPAP, let's get into the part that usually stresses people out. Airports, security, packing, and using your CPAP in the air. This is where most travelers hit roadblocks. But once you know the rules, you'll realize how smooth the process actually is. Let's break it down step by step so you can travel like a pro. How to pack your travel CPAP. Your CPAP should always be carried on, never checked. Airline luggage handlers are not known for their gentle touch. Here's the packing checklist. Make sure you have CPAP machine, mask and headgear, tubing, power cord and adapters, FAA compliance letter just in case, downloadable from the manufacturer, CPAP prescription just in case, backup filters, battery if you use ones, travel size CPAP wipes. Keep everything in a dedicated CPAP travel case, ideally the one that came with your device. Pack your prescriptions in the same pouch every time. It's your golden ticket if you ever run into questions during your trip. Now, getting through TSA without the stress. Here's the part everyone worries about. So let's take the mystery out of it. When you reach TSA, pull your CPAP machine out of your bag. It goes in its own bin, just like a laptop. Keep the tubing, mask, and accessories in the bag. Only the machine itself must be scanned alone. If you want to keep it clean, ask for a fresh glove or inspection mat. TSA will provide one. Have your FAA compliance letter handy. Not always needed, but it smooths everything out. Be ready for a swab test. They often check the machine for trace particles. Totally routine. Once you know this flow, the anxiety disappears. You're just another traveler with a medical device. And TSA sees thousands of CPAPs every single day. Great news, airlines classify CPAPs as medical devices. So this means two things. Your CPAP does not count as one of the carry-ons. You're allowed to use it in flight if the airline approves battery use. Before boarding, switch to airplane mode if your machine has it. Confirm your battery is FAA approved. Most travel CPAP batteries are. Check your airline medical device policy online. Each one slightly different rules. If you need to plug in, use tools like Seat Guru to choose a seat with a power outlet. Some flights have them, some don't, so plan ahead. Traveling with sleep apnea doesn't have to slow you down. With the right device, smart packing, and a little prep, you can sleep well anywhere. Hotel, airplane, campground, you name it. If you want a deeper dive, I've linked helpful articles, packing checklists, and our top travel CPAP recommendations in the description below. Tap those whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels and sleep well out there.